Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Lawn Breaker. Okay, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, and then I'll switch over to Sharpie, so don't worry about it if you can't see this. This is for me, and then I'll let you join in a second. Okay, I just have to get the whole thing down first, then I can let you join in. So, how's your summer going? Or if you're watching this at a later time, how's life going? Alright. Sounds pretty good to me. Alright, so let's finish this up. Ooh, you know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to do the feathers in the sharper Sharpie that I have, the Sharpie pen. That'll give it some accent, That'll be fun. Okay, then that, and that, and that will be the big Sharpie. So, okay, I think I'm going to switch over now. I know where I'm going with this. So, let's see, let me make sure. This line like that. All right, let's do it. No, I want to do that. No, yeah, I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to use a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the Sharpie fine point first. Then I'll come back with the Sharpie pen and do some detail work. So let's get started with the flamingo. I'm going to go with the beak, and I kind of exaggerated the beak. I kind of, made it my style. So let's just go like this, come down in like this, and like that. It's going to come in, connect to the head like this, and then let's draw a line like that, and I'm going to follow the edge all the way down to here. Then I'll come back and do the top of the head, but I just want to kind of get everything cohesive, and then we'll be happy. All right, so I'm going to come out here like this, follow it in, and down like that. Yeah, I like that. And so I'm going to do this part up here like that, and let's do the top of the head. So I'm going to come out just a little bit like that, come in, go around to there, and I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to stop because I'm going to do the little whippy cue hair thing that it's got there. So I'm going to do this and bring it back in like that. Now I can do the rest of the head. So I'm going to come around, bring it into where the feathers are going to start like that. So let's go ahead and draw that eyeball. So let's just basically draw circles, what you're going to draw. Get it as round as you can. If it's not round, that's okay. No big deal. And it's got just a hair little edge like that. Okay, there's the pupil. And there's more detail in there that some of it's going to be color and some of it's going to be the Sharpie pen. I'll do that in a second. Or let's do it now. Let's have a little fun. Right? Shall we? So, let's start from the top. So I'm going to come in here like this, and I'm going to float it around this, like that, and come back around, and go in, and then I'm going to bring it down here to where the mouth is good, the center is going to be, and like that. And see, I like doing stuff like this with the Sharpie, with the finer Sharpie, just to give it a contrast, something that's kind of fun. So let's work on these feathers. So I know by my sketch how it's going to look, so I'm just going to basically follow the idea of it, okay? And again, I know where my Sharpie's taking me, so I'm just gonna follow it around. Come back in like that, and do another one like that. And again, I'm following my Sharpie, and in like that. Okay. So let's see. Should I? Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? Ooh. You know what? I've got another Sharpie here. It's another Sharpie pen, but it's a medium, so it's a little thicker than this, but it's thinner than this. So I'm gonna use it for the feathers. Okay. So this feather is gonna come in like this. And see how it's thinner, so I get more of a contrast, so I get a different look to it. That's what I'm going for here. Let's see, this one's going to come in like this. Like that. And then this one is going to come over here like this. And then this one is going to do like that. I'm going to bring one in like this, bring another one in like this, and let's see, another one like so. Let's see, another one in here like this, tucked in there. I've got one floating by itself like that. And then I've got another kind of hiding back behind him, like this. Okay. And you know, there's a couple little folds that I'm going to do like that. I love that noise. Okay, so let's finish the rest of the stick. And I think I'm going to use a straight edge on a couple parts because it's a straight edge. Okay, so I'm going to do this and this, right? Am I in the right spot? I'm going to lift it up and see. Nope, but I'm going to have to adjust that. That's okay. And let's do the other side now. I did it too long, but it's because I couldn't see where I was. I took a chance, I gambled, I lost, but I'm going to work with it, okay? So we're going to draw the, let's see, the part. I don't know what this is, but it's like a big dumbbell handle like this, and it's got I don't know what this is exactly. It looks like a phone to me, and it's connected by a little piece of plastic of something, and then it's got straps, something like that, holding it all together. Okay, and so now we're just going to draw the foot. So I'm going to close it off and draw like the heel, and draw that. Okay, so now I kind of sketched out what I was doing, so now I'm going to come back and do this, this, and that for the heel, the web foot. Okay, I'll go ahead and close that off. So yeah, so I want to take care of the rest with color. So that is Lawn Breaker. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.